What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back for another video. So we just got into Chicago here. It was a quite a terrible flight, actually. Our flight got delayed like 2.5 hours, so we got in at like 3 in the morning. We're here actually for a baby shower, so that should be fun. But before we get to that, or I guess before we get on with the video, we are gonna be doing a little supercar spotting. Right where we're staying, there is the Lamborghini slash, I guess, Bentley dealership, and we just stopped over here to take a look and see what they got, so let's check it out. We got the whole lineup of Bentleys. Now the end goal here, guys, is to be meeting up with my buddy who has a pretty crazy built EVO, so we're gonna be checking that EVO out in like an hour or so. So yeah. So in the front here, got the 570S. We got a 458, and this really cool spec. This thing is pretty sinister, if I do say so myself. The black with the gold looks really nice. And we can see we have kind of the Skittles effect over here. We've got a Verde Mantis Huracan. I think that's a 1610-4. Got an old Gallardo Spider, it appears. The orange is not bad at all. Another Spider. But yeah, this thing is sinister. Definitely would love to replace the Skyline with it. You know, I'm pretty sure we're gonna replace the Skyline for one of these any day now. I love the red seats on the inside. In there. You can just see these vents. Until you see one of these really in person, you don't realize how deep and massive the vents are on these cars. But they're just so wide and have such a menacing presence. They're really just awesome. I do love this big wing on the Gallardo. Kind of reminds me of the Stradman's wing that he put on his. Looks good. I think these are aging pretty well. No manual though. No manual. Save the manuals, especially with the Gallardos. You know. I will say favorite color is definitely this Verde Mantis green. In the back of the lot, we got the orange Gallardo over there and a silver Gallardo, but I did see some matte red. I look like a Viper, so we're gonna check this out. Oh, I see it. Oh yeah, matte red new Viper. This thing looks pretty crazy. I saw it from the street, figured I had to check it out. A nice little carbon bit on the bottom there. I feel like this is going to get destroyed very easily, in fact. So I don't know if this has got to be a wrap on this car, but you can see the big carbon fiber rear spoiler there. Yeah, this thing looks pretty crazy though. It is pretty dirty, so it doesn't do it much justice probably with the camera right now, but nonetheless, this looks pretty awesome in person for sure. I think we've killed enough time in Fantasyland here. Let's go check out my buddy's EVO, get back to reality, but nonetheless, it's still gonna be a badass ride. Let's go. Wow. All right, everybody, we are over here with my buddy Austin in his, I think it's kind of like a race car. I'd call it a little bit of a race car. His EVO, is this an 8?
Yeah, it's an 8. It's
EVO 8, 04. So this thing is race cars you're gonna get for the street, gutted, plexiglass windows, pretty much just the whole setup, full suspension, E85, pretty badass indeed. Not even lying about the plexiglass windows. Yep. Let's take a look on the inside of this thing. We got a, as you can see, there's the plexiglass there. Got a full cage in here. Pretty, the cage looks nice.
Yeah, it was done real well.
Done really well in here. Yeah, and yeah, that shifter is awesome.
Yeah.
This shifter is pretty awesome to say the least. But yeah, so we got a full race car, no radio. That's how you know it's a race car. That's what I say. And so yeah, we're just going to get a cold start up. We're gonna go for a drive. I've never been in a, I don't think I've ever been in an EVO 8.
No?
I'm not gonna lie, I've never been in an EVO 8. So I think this is a bad judgment of that since this is like
yeah.
almost not an EVO 8. But yeah, so let's do it. It's pretty loud. So yeah, this car is set up for a road course. So we got the super medium tires on there, the drag radials. There is no wing on the car currently. He does have the wing. Also, it is cammed. Not bad. So we'll let her warm up and go for a drive. Oh, wait. All right. Here, you can take this and film me getting into this thing. Graceful as hell. Oh yeah, shit, I forgot we got harnesses.
Yeah.
It's a 5-point harness? Alright, I gotta put you guys down for the 5-point harness. I can't do this and hold the camera. How many miles did you put on the road trip back with this?
2,000.
2,000?
Yeah.
Just like this. No AC, I'm guessing. No AC.
No HVAC.
No HVAC. No HVAC. Here, it's under the dash. Nothing.
You gotta clean it up. Yeah, it's really messy still.
Yeah, but I mean, you know, it's a work in progress like every car. Look at that freaking shifter. I mean, it's still quick. With the car that weighs this much,
Yeah.
I mean, so this car makes about 400 horsepower in E85, and that doesn't sound like a lot to all you guys who are like, oh, it's not 1,000 horsepower, it's not quick. But considering the car's gutted, it weighs about 2,800 pounds. So for a road course especially, it's plenty of power. Just it's plenty of power.
Definitely.
And plus the shifter is like the coolest thing ever. Definitely no sound-deadening materials.
No, yeah, I mean, previous owner used the work some dry ice, freeze all the sound deadening, and then put it on.
Oh, okay.
A lot of people do it for their sonic cut weight.
Plexiglass.
It's a bitch to do.
Is it?
Yeah, oh my god.
There's really not that much lag.
No, the transient response is fantastic. I mean, it's over turbo, so and it's twin stroke.
Yeah, really not a lot of lag at all, which definitely makes it more fun. All right. I swear, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Got it. All right.
Yeah, these wheels are
All right, we're gonna get a launch for you guys, for the viewers. He said he would do it, so. I think he just blew up my eardrums. Thanks, Austin. Smells good though. Kids never get into a random EVO that comes and picks you up.
trying to go, stranger.
lucky day, buddy. Unfortunately, guys, it looks like we've had enough fun for today. Got the little light on there, and we need to get E85. So, yeah. All right, last time trying this. All right, I think I'd be good at it by now. You need like an old person handle.
Yeah, the window's up.
Oh, buddy, it's nice seeing you.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Thanks for letting us use up all your gas and everything else, and come see me when you're in Florida.
Yeah.
So we're back in the race car Focus here. But yeah, no, that was definitely pretty wild. So definitely makes me want an EVO. But then again, I don't think EVOs are usually like that EVO. But thanks again, Austin, for like I said, taking me for a ride and using up all your gas. What's up, guys? We're back at the house, and now I think is an effective time to end this video. We are going to be headed back to Tampa, Florida here in probably just a couple hours. So the baby shower was awesome. Got to see a lot of family and friends. Really enjoyed it. Had a great time. And hopefully we'll be back soon to come hang out with everybody. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate it. But yeah, guys, just like that, we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.